Here is the DJI Mini 2, and let's see the gimbal's angle, how far you can tilt this drone until it's no longer on horizontal. So it is powered on, and if I rotate it, notice the gimbal stays on horizontal. It's not tilting with the drone, but after a while it refuses. So the drone is at around 45 degrees. The camera is on horizontal, and then it refuses. So you cannot tilt it 90 degrees. It jumped back. You cannot tilt it 90 degrees because it's not accepting it. The same thing in the other direction. It's mostly horizontal, and then not horizontal anymore. So here it's tilting the camera, and then it's jumping back to its horizontal state, I mean parallel with the drone. Now let's analyze it from the side. From here, the same thing. You cannot rotate the drone 90 degrees. It's still okay. It's looking to the left, and then it refuses. Now it's looking up. I'm tilting it back. Now it jumped to the left, jumps up, jumps to the left. So about, I'm not sure, 50 degrees, 45, that's the maximum angle. And up, it allows a little bit of up movement, and then it looks down. That's a pretty good angle. And then it's not horizontal anymore, and then it's looking forward, that is that way. So that's the gimbal of the Mini 2. When the wind is pretty high, then notice it's not horizontal anymore. So let's say till somewhere here is horizontal, and then it's not horizontal, the gimbal. And if you move it even more, it simply refuses. Okay, so that's the angle of the DJI Mini 2 drone's gimbal angle capabilities. If it's upside down, then it refuses to level. It's not doing any leveling. But as soon as it's in the normal state, it is leveling itself. You don't need to connect it to anything. As soon as you power it on, it is already doing this leveling of the gimbal. Short press and long press to power it off. Now you can manually move it in any direction. It's not doing anything. There's a limiting. Now you might see it better. So the angle is limited. The cable is visible inside. And that's the third movement. It has some dampening there for left and right movement. And it's covered against the rain because it is under this part. So the water cannot directly fall on it. But of course, if you fly with speed, water will get on the lens.